guys, eh? There you are, 3 new young birds I've just got for Stuart Ghilchrist. I got them yesterday morning, and that's them there. I'm getting another 6 when they're ready. They're wee crackers, I'll tell you, they're well bred. They're well bred. The wee one in the middle is the one that Stuart favours at the moment really, but they're all well bred. But this wee fella here, aye, this wee fella there, aye, him there. And there you go, eh? So I've got them in the big loft because this is where I want to keep them. This is where I've got them in here now because actually they're being attacked by the bigger birds, so that's what's wrong, they're getting scalped. So they're in protection now, they're in here. 3 wee crackers, aren't they? Look at that, there's the blue. He's a wee beauty, look at that wee checker, he is a wee cracker, he is. He's going to be, look, he's got a wee stamp on him, I can see it. Anyway, so look at this, I'm not going to clean my loft away. I'm just in here checking the droppings, eh, so look at that, eh, lovely, lovely. The whole loft's like that. The whole loft's like that. Just checking my droppings. As you can see on the flare, lovely nut brown. Lovely nut brown. Nothing wrong with the droppings. But tomorrow morning is what I'm looking for. Tomorrow morning is what I'm looking for. And that's for all the down feathers, right along the bottom of the perches. Right along the bottom of the perches. That's what I'll be looking for the morning. Right along here. All the down feathers. So, there you go, look at that wee fella. And I'll speak to you later guys. Cheery cheery.